Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove unwanted object from a video in a CapCut application. Okay, here I have imported my video to my CapCut project, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from this video, the cup of coffee, I guess. And first of all, we can duplicate this clip. We can click on the clip, and we have to find the duplicate option. This one, click on this duplicate option, and now the clip has been duplicated and we're going to overlay it. We can click on this overlay, all right, and just drag the clip like this, and we're going to put mask to this clip. You can click on the clip and you can go to the mask option. Click on this mask option and select the type of the mask you would like to use, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we're going to adjust the size and the position as well. And I'm going to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. For instance, I'm just going to take this part like this, and we can click on this check mark and drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and after you're satisfied, you can just go back. And now let's just take a look at the result. As you can see that the unwanted object has been covered with the mask. And I guess that's how we can remove object from video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.